Hi everybody, welcome back. I've got a tune-up report for you today on the special build we did for Owen in California. Owen had me do the first 955 with an RFX 150 last week, and this week he's got me doing an RFX 150 on a Ranger RHF 618. So that's the first, I think. I don't know if anyone else has done it, but it came out pretty nice. And we put a TRB X3 Echo there, and we put a switch here in the back for his TalkBack on and off, and we did a clarifier opening for him. Put this mic on it. You want to take a look inside? We'll see what we got in there, and then we'll come back and do a tune-up report. And here's a look at the inside of this radio. Okay, here's the TRB X3 Echo mounted on the side. Wires go down to the other side. These wires come over to the Echo control. That's perfectly in the side. TalkBack. I made an incision there in the TalkBack, in the diode that mutes that chip. I made an incision there, and then I attach a wire there and here, and I come around to the switch in the back, and then that turns on some TalkBack, but it's not very loud. So I add this resistor here, sampling the receive audio, the transmit mic audio over right into the audio chip and make it a little bit louder. My echo wires came across and they hook in here. Again, I make a decision in the audio, the mic audio line there, so I can have it in and then out for my echo. And underneath here is the power wires. I think that's it. The RFX 150. See where I chose to put it. And pretty well. Now, if you're making one of these on a base station, keep in mind, if you're doing one of these yourself, you have to parallel the ground, this guy's ground, with this guy's ground, or else this 8-volt turn-on won't ever be seen. That difference in potential won't be seen unless you tie the two grounds together. Alright, that's it on the inside. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got just the radio turned down to be just right for the amp. So the radio by itself, 10 watt scale right there. We'll turn this one down some. 5 watts all the way up. About 1 watt all the way down. So that's going to be different for, or the same for other radios. Just about the right drive for it is 1 to 5 variable, or just 5 if that's all you got. And the peak power, it almost doesn't matter, whatever the radio will do. Peak power over here, I got a 250 slug in there. Let me put the 50 back in. 50 watt slug you're reading in the middle here. There's 20, 30, 40. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2. Needs to be bigger. A little smaller. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Alright. And on the sideband, audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's barefoot radio. Now let's put that, put in a 250 slug. Put this to read 100. Plug in power to the 150. Let's see, man, we got power all the way up. 100 slug, let's see what we got. Still got it inside there. That's what we got. AM carrier. It's a touch over 30. If I turn it all the way down, to its lowest. Now I got the watt meter on a 10 watt scale. About 7 all the way down. Turn the power back up. Alright. Now the peak reading meter, 250 watt slug, 100, 150, 200. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2. Oops, off the scale now. I gotta move it over again. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. And sideband. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay, everyone. I haven't been listening to it because we're using this bass mic and it's just going to feedback, you know. Let me turn it up a little bit. Put it on the right channel. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's put it up here in the air. I didn't pull a door down on me. Texas is booming in down here in South Florida. 642 said that.
Oh, Roger on that 642. Boy, it got quiet here. We had almost a full of noise here for a while and picking out a few here and there. But boy, I tell you what, you're the only one we hear out here right now.
Yeah, same right back at you. I didn't hear nothing. It was kind of quiet. I was about to roll the channel, and then you nearly broke my speaker.
Well, tell you what, though, whatever you're running over there is sounding good, so hopefully everything's going good for you there, 10-4.
10-4. This is the Ranger RHF 618, and I just put one of those RFX 150s on the back, so we got a little radio doing a lot of watts, Roger.
Down here has just started doing that too. That's a pretty neat deal. Makes a nice package there. But like I said, whatever it's doing, it sure sounds nice and clear.
10-4, appreciate it. Yours sounds very clear yourself, sir. 642 Screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're back out. Thanks for coming back to me.